So I bet you're probably wondering, how did I get Morbius on the Nintendo 3DS? Well, the answer is very complicated, very long, and very boring, and I'm just going to show it to you. The first thing we need is the Morbius logo. Cannot do anything else without it. And then we are just going to use the extracted assets of some game. I prefer to use Chase, Cold Case Investigations, because I made a translation hack for it. So, and then I just gave up explaining because there were many attempts at fails at making this work. For starters, the video game just has a memory limit. The movie is too big, so I sped it up and made it smaller. And then I had to synchronize the FPS of the original video to make it work, and so on. I even had to make the trailer faster to make it fit and not be skipped by the game, and that was annoying. And now we have finally the results. Did it pay off? Let's see it.
When you're alone, it's morbid time.
However, I should note that if you try this on an emulator, it will work, but it's sorta kinda wonky. I don't understand why. I don't even know what I'm doing most of the time, so I'm just surprised this worked even a second.
Have sex, accept. Put my hands against. Put my best up.
So there you have it. It's a visual mess. It stutters, it's a complete nightmare for the eyes, it's morbtastic, and the movie also works in that fashion. But the movie works. So there is a success in that. Now, let's try it on the real deal. Are you ready? Well, that was a complete waste of my time.